Welcome. If you're having trouble with the Telegram app not opening on your PC after the latest update, don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick fixes to get Telegram up and running again. Let's get started. The first thing to try is simply closing and reopening the app. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up any temporary glitches. Close Telegram completely, wait a few seconds, and then open it back up. If it opens correctly this time, you're good to go. If that doesn't work, try restarting your computer. Sometimes issues with apps can be fixed by rebooting your system. To restart your PC, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before pressing the power button to turn your computer back on. After the restart, try opening Telegram again. If that still doesn't solve the problem, it might be a network issue. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. A weak or unstable network connection can prevent apps from opening properly. To switch networks, click on the network icon in the notifications area at the bottom right of your screen. Select a different Wi-Fi network if one is available and check if Telegram opens after that. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your connection is slow or unreliable, it could affect the app's ability to open. To check your connection, click on the network icon again and see if your network is working properly. If you're facing connection issues, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. If nothing seems to work, you might need to uninstall and reinstall Telegram. To uninstall the app, press the Windows icon and search for Uninstall Apps. Find Telegram in the list of installed apps, click on the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the action and wait for the app to be removed. Once Telegram is uninstalled, press the Windows icon again. Search for Microsoft Store and open it. In the search bar, type Telegram and click Install. After it installs, open Telegram again and check if it launches correctly. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the issue of Telegram not opening on your PC. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.